Hi friends, hey, welcome back to the Expeditionary Johnny channel. Hey, today I am out at Wagon Train Rec Area. Looks pretty good, so I think I'm going to have to do a little bit of fishing on here either later this evening or maybe tomorrow. So we're going to do a little bit of hiking, and then I'm going to cook up a little bit of snack. And so this one has a bit of cheese in this, so Cheesehead Chris, this one's for you. So the missus has my car, the one with the park pass on it. So I'm playing Mr. Johnny Good Citizen here, going ahead and get us a day pass for the truck. And slip it on in. All right, near as I can tell, this is the beginning of our trail, so let's go see what happens. Well, it looks like this opens up here a bit. We've come around the side of the park. You got an open field here. All right, so here in Nebraska, we're not known for our hills. So a lot of the trails out here are gonna look a whole lot like this. You'll get out to a field and you just kind of soak it up. It's basically get some miles in, breathe some fresh air, look at some of the wildlife. So let's press on. I have to say, it smells really nice about this part of the trail. We have all these flowers and stuff blooming, so it's pretty good. I guess people are going to be leaving us a few ribbons to help us mark our trails here. So you got the pink to the left and the orange to the right. So as I'm walking this trail, it just makes me think of, I'm like a Christmas tree farm. Just kind of walking out looking for our Christmas tree. Got a lot of cedar trees all around. Not the most ideal, you know, for that. Normally I'm a Douglas fir kind of guy for Christmas trees, but we're getting that kind of feel. Well, that's not a bad view. That's pretty cool. All right, so we've gone about as far as we can in this one direction. We got the road right behind us. Fortunately, we turn right back into the woods. So let's keep on trucking. I have to say, they've pretty clearly marked this with all these ribbons, kind of helping make sure everybody stays on the path. Look at all that cedar bark, this loose cedar bark I've been finding around here. I'm gonna take some of that and go back home for some more Fired Up Friday videos. This is really an easy trail. There's like no hills. The path is clearly marked. So I'm just kind of walking around, checking out all the cedar trees. Grabbed a bit of branches and some bark here for, well, the branches are for my lunch. I'm going to be breaking out the Firebox stove here in a little bit. Got a little bit of nachos today. Well, here we go. Here's a nice little find here, or at least for survival situations. See this wet wood? See how squishy, spongy it is? This is what you call punk wood. This is great to tape back. Okay, so this punk wood here, you can see, well, let's see here if I can do it this way. All right, so this punk wood, you can see it's real squishy, real spongy-like. This is great for survival material. If you're stuck out and you run out of fire starters, you throw this in a container, like, well, it's like, it can be like your water bottle or something where you can restrict off the oxygen, throw that on the fire, turns into char. You just follow the exact same technique that you do for making char cloth. All right, so you can see which way I've come from. Been kind of out on the outskirts of the woods, but heading back on into there. I think with this turn, it'll start taking us back to the parking lot. All right, so we're walking our way through Red Cedar Alley here. Lots and lots of cedars on either side. All right, so we are coming to the very end of it here. Now, here's you can see right here on the All Trails map, I'm coming back to the parking lot here shortly. So, all right, I'll get back there. I'll get the, I'll find a table, and we'll break out the Firebox stove and make a little snack. All right, so here we have it. We've got our nachos cooked up in our World War II cook kit. We cooked it up on our Firebox stove. We just used some cedar that I picked up along on today's hike. So let's go ahead and give her a taste test here. Very good. Wish I would have put a little bit more jalapeno in there, but still cheesy goodness. So there we go. So Cheesehead Crisp, there's your cheesy meal for you. Hey, hope this motivates you guys to get out, try different trails, cooking up different foods, just for the heck of it. All right, thanks for tuning in. I'll see you all in the next one.